Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring your iPhone 16 Pro is current and backed up. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update. Install any available updates. Once done, back up to iCloud or your Mac to protect data. Next, swipe and remove widgets you don't use, then open Settings right arrow General right arrow Background App Refresh and turn off for apps that don't need it. These initial steps remove wasteful background activity and prepare the device for finer adjustments. Now focus on power management features and permissions. You should schedule low power mode for predictable heavy use days under Settings right arrow Battery. It reduces animations and background tasks. Make the display power efficient by lowering max brightness and enabling adaptive True Tone. This preserves battery without ruining visibility. Then audit location services, mail fetch, and Bluetooth per app. Switch from push to fetch or manual where acceptable. These targeted changes cut significant drain while keeping the phone responsive for what matters. To finish, verify battery health and make corrective moves. Open Settings right arrow Battery Health. Enable optimized battery charging to reduce long-term wear. Restart the phone to clear transient processes and update or reinstall apps that show unusually high battery use. If you still see spikes, reset network settings to clear rogue connections. One troubleshooting tip: if battery drain persists after resets and updates, contact Apple support or run diagnostics. Persistent high drain can indicate a hardware issue needing service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.